Assalamualaikum developers, welcome back to the ninth lesson of HTML, and today lesson we will work on links, how to link different pages. So here we use a tag with a, and here is a reference. We will give a reference of every page over here. I mean the location of a page. So you can see I have used already. So these are I have made some pages on these names like home, downloads, contact us, admissions, and gallery, and I have linked every page with these tags, and I will copy this thing in every page. Like you can see over here, home, downloads, context, animation gallery, and a home page, and end download page the same thing, and contact us a page with same header file. This is called a header, let's say. Also, don't focus on this thing, it is a footer, a header, or whatever, and don't go on too deep because this is a basic. So learn how does it works. This is our home page, same header, and this is our downloads page, same header, and this is our contact us, same header. So how does this work? I mean, for example, I'm in a contact us, I want to go to download page. So how does it work? So let's see, here's a home, here's a home, here's a home. So if I know home page, why should I go to home page? So how to stop these things? So let's see how does this works, how to make this thing and page different pages. How does it works in a code? Let's see. I will create a new file. Let's say control in, and here we will select HTML and shift 1 and hit the enter button. This, let's say this is our home page, so we will create a lot of pages. I mean, how much pages we should create? I mean, 6 or something. So this is our home page, and I will create another one. Control N, and let's say again HTML, search for HTML, enter, shift 1 and hit the enter button, and I will use, let's say I will create like this, and home, downloads. Okay, I will create like this. Let me see. And I will create this like let's say, what is it, downloads. And I will create another one. Control N and shift and HTML and shift 1 and enter, and I will rename this as a contact us. Okay, again Control N and select this one and HTML, shift 1, hit the enter, and I will use as a admission. I will write admission, and again I will create another page, and I will say HTML, type HTML, and hit the enter button, and then I will this, let's say, figure it. I will use some, okay, let's, I will use here, let's say I will use h1, and this is gallery. Okay, and here on the admission page I will use, let's say again h1, and this is the admission, and so this is admission. And here in contact us I will use this, like I will use, and this is, save this file like let's say I hope this is save all, control as I think, and I will make uh, I will use on desktop. Let's say I will create a folder on desktop. So this, make a new folder, and I will call it ninth lesson. Okay, and HTML1 I will say index, and saved. And second page is, I think, downloads. Yes, save it, and then the next one is contact us. I will, sorry, I will make it short. Contact TCT. So make it clear. Contact us, and then for another one, admission. Zero admission. Okay, and the last one is Gary. Now you can see we have saved our admission, contact us, and downloads in the index. Index file is the main file, okay, home page. So we call the home is the index. Sure. So now we have saved all of them: index, downloads, contact us, and gallery. So first of all, we will make a header file over here, and I mean the menu. So how is it? How does it look like? It's like. Then you can see home. So for home we are, let's say we are in a home page, so we are not calling home page. Like I'm gonna use how does it work, let's say okay, so I'm in a home page. Let's see how does this links works to the other pages from home to download contents and illusion gallery. So I will use a, and here we will give us a reference. So before we give some references, I want to type like a home, let's say, and I will give space and use some this with the near the enter. And again I will make another link for another page like sorry, control space and hit the enter button. I will leave this blank, and our second page is downloads. So let's say here I will decode again downloads, okay, and another take, enter. I will write here something in the contact us. So contact us, then again I will write space and enter. And here I will run this admission, and again I will put a, and I will write in this the tags. I will write between the tags as given great. So if I control save this, let's copy all of them. Let's copy this whole line to all of them. Yeah, okay, okay, let's run this. Start debugging, make navigation, and you see this is the home downloads content. Okay, I didn't use these things, sorry. Space and your space and here okay, just leave it. Contact us and here the add downloads. Okay, control S and let's run this. Oh shit. Okay, so run. Okay, we start the debugging. I hope so. Okay, you know, it's done. Now it gives us this audio. Okay, so control is and replace this. Okay, and now it's a little bit fine. So if I press on download, how it will go to download page and content has something. So what we have to do is we used the links of images in the previous lesson, and I showed you how to copy a link of something, of a file or a page and forms. So let's put the links of all pages in home section. I mean in this header section. So I'm already, so one thing, please can remember one thing. If I am in a home page, so I can't go from home to home. So what I have to do, just use a hash over here and for home, because I am in a home page. So why should I go from home to home? Because I'm already in home. So I don't want to make a loop. So to start that loop, I want to stop this loop, use hashtag. So I want to go from home to downloads page. I mean, if you can see here, so this is the home page. If I click on the home page, I don't want to go to from home to home. right? So I will use hash for this, so it will stop, it will not be clickable. Let's see how does this work. Control s, I will refresh this page, and if I click on home, you can see it is blue. So if I click on this, it will not go anywhere, it will use hashtag. See, it will not give any links. Guys, I can't go from home to home. Why should I go? I'm already at home. So what is the next step? I want to jump from home page to downloads, to contacts, to admission, to guild. So go to your folder. Where is it? Desktop, and I use some ninth lesson, and this is our page. So I told you how to copy a link. So let's say I want to go from home to download. So where are download? This is download. Go into go into properties, and this is the link. See, this is the link. Control C and cut this, and I will put it here like Control V. I told you change this like into forward slash. Also this one and this one, and after, and the last one I will give a name. So the name should be same like here, downloads. So when you click in this for a while, you can see you can copy this. I'll just type over there. So I will downloads.html. So refresh this, and now you can see from home you can't go to home, but here is a download, it's now blue. So when you click on this blue, it will go to download page, and this thing will be changed. Let's see downloads, the title changed. This is the download. Okay, so you go back. I didn't paste this header over here, or this menu over here. It will show it over here too, so you can go back to the home page. Okay, so let's copy this file, copy this path, and Control C, and we know that we have the same folder, same path, only we have to change this. So, and contact, for contact us, I will copy this, and I will use this as a contact. You can see, you can paste the name from here too. I mean, you can see uh, copy path. So if you want to copy path like this, let's see how does it copy. See the same thing. So you have to change these things like into forward slash. Whenever you get the first, just copy it and just only change the names. So this is the second. So I will copy this whole path. Control C. Let's say to here, or let's say yes. With HTML. Now go to the admission. Control V, and you can see the name over here. So just remove this contact from the point and type contact, CONTACTUS. So I will type this file name contact. Oh, sorry, not contact, it's admission. In the name I will decide. Okay, and I will, for the gallery I will paste over here too, and I will remove this and type gallery, this name, the file name, the page name. Okay, great. Control S, save it, page, let's say, and now you can see from home, you can go to downloads, go back, contacts. You can see the changes over here and here. Admission, changed, changed, changed. Go back and get it. So you get it. See. Now for every page I can paste it. Now in every page I want, if I want to paste this whole header, it will be reusable and everyone. Let's say I want to copy this, control C, and in every page you can paste it from, let's see, in the start, control V, control S, and contact, control V, control S, and admission, Control V, Control S, and gallery, Control V, Control S. Now here is a difference. If I am in a download page, I want to go from download to home, so I can't use hashtag because I'm in a downloads. But I can't go from downloads to downloads. So what I have to do, just remove or let's say Control X this, and here use a hash because I am in download. So I don't want to go from downloads to download. I don't want to make a loop. So to stop this loop, just use hash, but I can go from download to home page. So I will paste over here and change this to home page, and we call home page is index. So index, okay. So same for others. I in admission, sorry, in contacts us. So I don't want to go from contact us to contact us. I don't want to make a loop. So just okay, where is it? Hello. So just copy this, Control X. I will use hash because I'm in a contact us, so I don't want to do. And I will use this copy Control V, and I will change this into index.html. Okay, Control S. And in admission, same for admission, where is admission? I don't want to go from admission to admission. So what I have to do, just okay, no one does it. So click here, Control X because I don't want to go from admission to admission. So I will use hash because I'm an admission page. So how can I go from admission to? So use again hash, and here and home, Control V, sorry, Control V, and change this again to index because I can go from admission to home or index. So yes, and the last one is Control S in gallery. So where is gallery? I same thing here. I can't go from gallery to gallery. I don't want a loop. So hash because gallery. And again, I will change this. I can go from gallery to home page. So Control P, and I will change this is into index. S, let's say, and run this. So this is the home page. If I go to, let's say I can't go from home to home, okay, but if I want to go from home to downloads, I can go, okay, big. If I want to go from home to contact us, yes, it, you can admission, yes, and to gallery, yes. So if you want to open downloads page, yes, you are in download page. But if you want to click on contact us, from downloads to contact us, yes, we can go from downloads to admission, yes. Delivery check, you have to check everything that I can go or not. Let's say from downloads I can go to home or not. Let's say yes, I can go. Contact us, yes, see, contact us to admission, yes, contact us to gallery, contact to download, yes, and contacts to home, yep. And the same thing for admission, you may check the admission, yes, admission, admission, yes, home. And the gallery, yes, admission, and gallery to contact, yes, gallery to download, yes. Okay, so we did this. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Wassalam.